Hi everybody, I'm Jerry and I actually have this, which is the Winix AM80, which we've had for about 2 years. This has been one of my most favorite air purification systems we've ever owned. It's quiet, it's versatile, it works really well, and the filters are great, but the filters are kind of expensive. I was actually just sent this, which is another brand of filter that says it's going to fit directly in here, and I'm going to unbox this and kind of show you what this looks like and actually how it goes in here. So this magnet's off of the front of this, and again, filter H, they present you with the filter H here, which is nice. It says it's an exact fit, so let's find out. This has a pre-screen, and the existing one we have, which I know looks kind of dusty and dirty, there's the carbon filter that came out. That's actually a Winix brand one, and this is actually the Winix brand one of these filters that came out of there, the HEPA as well. And then this one that is sent is actually a combo pack that has all of that in there, and it looks to be, I mean, basically identical. So in here you actually have their carbon filter, which has got a nice screen on it. Everything seems really well, has like a lot of little carbon pieces in there. That's gonna help with some odor elimination and so forth on that. It does have the little cutouts in there so you can be able to pull that out of there. And then this piece here, I mean, this is your HEPA filter here. I mean, airflow, it's got the directional piece on there. It's nice fiber, looks to be very well built. It says it's a direct fit, let's find out. Which I mean, snug as a bug right there. It's in there. This piece then is going to go in here, same as the other one. That fits in there extremely nice. And let's make sure that this piece fits here too. I mean, that is a perfect fit for that. So now whenever we turn this on, we're going to have the ability to have great air quality then moving forward for the next, they say 8 to 12 months. We typically change ours out about every 6 months, but this is a great alternative that actually is another way to fit a filter into the AM80 Winix system. So thank you guys again for sending this.